Independence Day speech by L. Kavya, 10th A from Government Model Girls Higher Secondary School, Manachinallur. A very good morning to the excellence, respected teachers and my dear students. I am here to present a speech on 75th Independence Day. I am very happy to speak here on this great occasion. I am very grateful to my class teacher to give me such a special opportunity to say my views on the Independence Day of my country. At this special occasion of Independence Day, I would like to speak on the India struggle for getting freedom from the British rule. Long years ago, great Indian leaders were made tryst with the destiny to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. Today we are living without any fear and having happy face just because of our brave forefathers. We cannot imagine that how the moment was critical at the time. We have nothing to give our forefathers in return for their precious hard works and sacrifices. We can only remember them and their deeds and make a hearty salute while celebrating the national events. They would always be in our hearts. After the independence, India get new birth and happy face of all Indian citizens. India got independence on 15th of August in 1947 from the clutches of British rule. Indian people all over the country celebrate this national festival annually with lots of joy and enthusiasm. It was the great day for all the Indian citizens. When India's tricolor flag was unfolded by the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru at the Red Fort, Delhi. A Hajj celebration takes place in New Delhi at Rajpath every year, where national anthem is sung after the flag hoisting by Prime Minister. Together with the national anthem, a salute though 21 guns firing and showering of flowers through helicopter is given to the national flag. Independence Day is a national holiday. However, everyone celebrates this from their own places by hoisting the flags in schools, offices or society. We should feel proud to be an Indian and try our best to save the honor of our nation. Thank you. Jai Hind.